Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall apps from your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings and go to apps. Here you can see installed apps. You have to click on this. So you can see here different apps in my laptop. If you want to uninstall apps from your device, you just have to click on these three dots. Here you can see options of uninstall. You just have to click on this. I don't want to uninstall this app, that's why I'm not clicking on this. So this is how you can uninstall apps from your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.